Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today to share some winnings and just want to say thank you as well as a small haul. All right, so let's jump right in. First off, I won over on Angela Serendipity Arts channel, and I actually won a gift card to Spectrum Mart, Spectrum Art, and it was for the gingerbread collab, and I won a gift certificate from there. And I had been wanting this die here, and it is a graphic 45. Whoops, sorry about that. Graphic 45 die, and I had been wanting that, and they had that on their shop, in their shop, and so I put the money toward this and ended up finally getting this die that I had been wanting. And it comes with, I was going to tell you how many pieces, 12 pieces, I do believe. But that's a really nice die set. And this is just as big as a slimline card here. So really happy to get that. Then over on Polite Creations channel, Natasha, I went off her channel, and I meant to take this out. Let me show you this adorable card that she made. Oh my goodness. And it's such inspiration for what I won from her channel. So I thought this was absolutely adorable. Would you check that out? Look at all that stitching she added in there. She used, it looks like a matte red cardstock. She put a heart behind there, star there, some gems, a little bit of sequins there. It is so cute. And she was thanking me for supporting her channel. And she left it blank so that I can mail it off or send it out to someone, but I'm not. I'm going to keep this. And look at the inside, and she even had that popped up. It is adorable. I love this card. Now, that is the inspiration for me to create something with these stamps. I thought that was super cute, and I had never heard of clear resin stamps, and so this will be my first time using clear resin stamps. Never heard of that type of a stamp, so that'll be my first. So I went off her channel. Thank you so much, Natasha and Angela. I really appreciate it. And then on Sybil B's channel, which was a surprise to me because, I didn't enter a giveaway, but she had I won a giveaway on her channel, so I was so excited, and I'm so grateful and so thankful. This lady has such a giving heart. I love Sybil B's channel. And if you all have the chance, I'm going to link the ladies' channels down below. Just make sure you go over and subscribe. I'm telling you, if you're not subscribed, you're going to wish you had been, and I'm giving you that opportunity. So make sure you head over there and subscribe to these ladies. Their channels are amazing. Anyway, so this is Sybil B's card. I absolutely love this card. It is so cute. And she has the little animals popped up there. Look at that. It is adorable. I love her coloring. It is just like superb. I absolutely adore it. And she has that little heart there. And the sequence gems are just so tiny and so cute. I love it. And then she was also thanking me for her support as well. Oh, I absolutely love this. And then check this out on the back. Isn't that just adorable there? Oh, so cute. And it's embossed as well. Now, on her channel, well, she sent me a little package. And I tell you, it was a little bit of a package. I was just so excited. So she sent some things in here. I did go through everything. So it's not my first time seeing this. And I've seen it on her channel. She also showed it on her channel as well. But she sent me some Gina K design stamps. This, believe it or not, this is my first set of Gina K anything. I don't have anything from her. Some Stampin' Up! Embossing folders. I got a couple of those. Doris embossing folders. And this is the only one I think that I have a copy of. I'm not for sure. I'll have to check. I do have quite a bit of embossing folders. And then that one. Oh, and so if so, I'll pass that on. And then she also sent me some stencils. And if you want to check these out, sorry about the noise. She sent me a couple of stencils here. And hopefully you can see that. Yeah, I think you can see it well enough. That one's butterflies. This one's triangles. And then even more stencils. I'm excited about that because I don't hardly have too many stencils. And the one that I'm really excited about is this one here. I really, really love that pattern there. Maybe you can see it there. And then I also got Tim Holtz alphabet and numbers. And then I got some more embossing folders here. And then that's how both of those look. So I have plenty to play with. Now that's the embossing folder part and stencils. And then she even sent me some dies. So, and I repackaged them up, well, I moved some of them over to another set. But anyway, she sent me these. And I'm excited about using those because I don't have anything like this. And then she also sent me chicken wire, and I don't have anything like that. So I'm excited about those. And then this one here, and I hadn't seen this before she had mentioned that I had wanted, and I went searching to see how it's put together. And this is such a cute die, so I will be definitely using this as a slider card. And it comes with these pieces back here, and it's from Spellbinders. So that is adorable. And look at all of the little items that I can put on there. You see all of those? Just absolutely cute. Look at that little bunny. Just really cute. And there goes the high. And then this is a wreath, so you can lay that together, and then it'll be a circle like a wreath, and then you just pop all these things out. So I really, really like that. All right, and then, and I really have been working on my shopping, believe it or not, but I went over to Only One Life Creations website. Let me show you that a little bit more close so you can see that. And she really has some good prices, and so I found this. I want to say this was like $6 maybe or something like that. And I really like that. You see that? Perfect for birthday cards. And then I had not seen this before from Sizzix. So I ended up picking up this. So I'm going to cut that out soon enough and see how that looks. I love flowers. And it's a pretty big flower. I think that's probably like 2.5 inches. So yeah, I'm excited about getting that. And then I went over to our teacher store here. I actually went with my daughter. My daughter is a teacher. And she needed to stop by the teacher store. So I had been struggling trying to find this Bristol Smooth surface cardstock, or, what you can, stamp on. And so they had some there. And so I was excited about getting that. So I got that. And then I went to Hobby Lobby. And I picked up this, and I used the 40% off coupon. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to keep it because I'm trying to decide whether or not I want it. I like it, but if I don't need it, I don't want to keep it. I do have the Tonic Studio by Tim Holtz, the glass platform mat or whatever it's called. And then now I have this, so I'm just trying to decide whether or not I really need this. I do like the fact that you can stencil with the magnets, and it just stays right where you put it. So if anybody has this, let me know if you really like it, or if you think it's just a waste of money, since I do have the glass mat. All right, and then the last thing I got was I went over to Michael's, and I bought this 110-pound craft cardstock. And of course, we all buy the 110-pound paper. This one has 300 GMs. And this is their white cardstock. Now, this is their 110-pound white cardstock. And I've always thought it was pretty thick until I purchased this one. And I don't have the paper, the original paper that's in the inside like this, telling you how many GMs it is. But if you listen to the difference in this paper, I'm just like, why don't they have all of their paper like this? And I was just so surprised. I mean, this is so thick. I was just like, oh my goodness. And the difference, I mean, you can really tell the difference of the cardstock. And so I was a little bit upset. I don't know if any of you have ran into that problem where their 110-pound is not as thick as their craft. This is the white, this is the craft. And I wish the white was just as thick as this craft. So I don't know. I might have to look for another 110-pound cardstock. I know I did see Scrap the World. Hers, she buys hers from Amazon, so I might switch to that. I'm not for sure yet. But that's all I have for you. Thanks so much, ladies. I really appreciate your generosity. Thank you so much, everyone, for stopping by. Make sure you go visit the ladies, and you all have a blessed and crafty day.